Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Whirlpool Freshflow refrigerator air filter in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Whirlpool Freshflow refrigerator air filter. The Freshflow refrigerator air filter is located inside the fresh wood compartment. It's mounted on the outside of the air diffuser at the top left. The filter is used for cleaning the air while it circulates through the diffuser. The Freshflow refrigerator filter should be replaced on a regular basis in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Right, we're here in the fresh food compartment on the upper rear corner there on the left side. To get to the filter, we need to open that filter door. Next, I'm going to squeeze this locking tab at the back and remove the filter. This is the old Whirlpool Freshflow refrigerator air filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new filter, we're going to place it in the cutout and simply push it in. Now we're going to close that filter door. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.